All right guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. I am again once more at Walgreens. We do have the flash day sale that is happening, the 3-day sale, so I'm gonna be taking advantage of that. But looky what I just found in my store that is on sale. The hemp lotion, they are regular price at $19.99, and then they're on clearance for $9.99. And we do have Ibotta rebates, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up and I'll show you guys. So that's gonna pay $9.99, and then I'm gonna get back $5 from Ibotta, making it $4.99. All right guys, so here is the rebate on the hemp lotion. It is a limit of 2 in my store. Have 2 here on stock, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and grab both of these here. I might do these in a separate transaction. So on this particular card, I am working on a spend 15 to get back the I think it's, hold on, I'm gonna put it. So okay, so on this particular account, it is spend 15 5 times to get back $15 in Walgreens cash. So that's what I'm gonna be working towards. So I might just throw these in with some of the P&G promotions just so that I can get the $5. But I have a few coupons that are expiring for the Axe, so I'm gonna work a deal for the Axe. I've seen those, but the ones my store has had is for the hair care. Nothing coming back on this, but this would be a great item for me to add because I have a $4.99 coupon. So that, all right guys, so there's a few more options for the spend 15 deal on the P&G promotion. So we got a $7 coupon that works on these $15 Venus products. They also work on the Gillette for men as well, so you can grab one of these. And we do have a $15 a $7 coupon, and you can grab the $10 ones. I think there's just a specific one that's working, the pink one, and ooh, there was a different one that was working, but I'm gonna try to go with the purple. And then there's a $5 digital coupon for this, and you can also grab the men's as well, which, yeah, my store's all out of the $12 and the $13 ones, so we'll go ahead and pass on that. But the $7 coupon also works on the $18 product as well. And of course, for the 3-day sale, aside from the Venus that you can pick up, you can also pick up the Head and Shoulders, as well as Herbal Essence. Anything that's P&G products, you can actually go ahead and pick up. So we do have a $2 coupon for the a 2 off of 2 for, oh my goodness, you guys, I'm losing my words, for the Pantene. So they are 3 for $15. Nothing is coming back here, but the only thing is we do have the beauty event happening where you can use a $2 coupon for this. Here what it looks like. Here are the codes if you guys need to take a screenshot so you can use them. This is until tomorrow, 8/19, so $2 would come off each one. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these 2. And I think we do have something for the Head and Shoulders as well. Not sure why I'm not locating it, but either way, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of the Head and Shoulders. So on another transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Head and Shoulders, the Pantene. I'm gonna add the Crest. They are $4. And then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $4 in Walgreens cash. I'm gonna grab a toothpaste and a toothbrush. They don't have no more of the $3 ones, so I'll grab one of the ones up to $3.50. And then we do have $2 on the Oral-B, $2 on the Crest toothpaste. But I am trying to build up my transaction to go over $40 because I have a paper booster that I want to use. I think I might switch these 2 around, where I might do this with the paper booster because I have higher digitals for these 2. So I'll show you guys my receipt so you'll see what I end up grabbing. And sometimes this is my dilemma in the store because I can't make up my mind. So I showed you guys this yesterday on the video that I did. for the Listerine. I'm not picking this up today, but there is a no rebate where you can submit back, and you'll this started on the 1st until 9:30, so you'll get back either $10 or $15. I did put the link on the last video that I did, so go ahead and check that out. But I'll show you guys my receipt and what I end up grabbing. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of the U by Kotex. They are 2 for $9, and we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, as well as a rebate from Shopkick. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these 2. First transaction I'm gonna do is gonna be with the U by Kotex, the Venice, and the Axe. So that takes me to $43.98. Since I only have to spend $15, I'm gonna go ahead and so I'll use $20 in Walgreens cash, and then that'll leave me to pay $23.98. We have $7 coming up here, $5, $4.99, and $4. Look at what I found, you guys. It's the Bounty. So this Bounty is $5.49, and then when you buy 4, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. And this one is also giving back the P&G register reward. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into my transaction as well. All right, so with the Bounty, with the Venice, and everything else here, I'm at $65.94. I'm gonna use 20 in Walgreens cash, and then I'm gonna use this register reward, this booster, to get me an extra $9 in Walgreens. Here is the first transaction that I did with the Axe body wash, the Venice, the Bounty, and the other Venice product, and then the Kotex here. The Kotex, use the paper booster there, and then these are the manufacturer register rewards that I use, the coupons. $7 for the Venice, $5 for $4.49 for the Axe, and $3 for the Kotex instead of the $4. Subtotal came out to $21.40. So I was really hoping my total would be $20.45, because this $3 was supposed to be $4. But of course at Walgreens, the lower value comes off first. So I paid an extra $1 there, which is okay. And then I got back $13.84. So $9 for the paper booster. I'm thinking that $4 is for the that 10%, but I've been using it on my other accounts and I haven't been gotten it, so I want to say this is what the extra $4 is for. And then I did get back the $5 for the Bounty. I got the P&G for the Bounty, the P&G for the Flash Day sale. I'm going to be submitting my receipt back to Shopkick to get back 680 kicks there as well. So that was the first transaction. Everything went well. So here is the second transaction. This one was for the beauty event. Here's the Pantene with the $2 coming off there for each one. Here's the Crest, the Head and Shoulders, and the $2 coming off there as well. And the Oral-B for $3.50. I used a $5 manufacturer register reward, $3 for the Head and Shoulders, $2 for the Pantene, $2 for one of the Oral-B products, but the other one didn't come off. And my subtotal should have been at $20. I'm not sure what I left out here, but anyways, ended up paying a little bit more out of pocket than what I wanted. No, actually. Anyways, I must have left something out. And then paid the rest. I got $16 back in Walgreens cash. And I'm still not sure what all I got Walgreens cash for. I know I got the $7 for spending $25. And the only other thing I can think of again is the 10%, but it has not been working on my other account. So grateful for that. So I picked this up on another account, which I still had a $3 for the Fructis from last week or 2 weeks ago. Here is the Hemp's, the Fructis, and I added a gum so that I can use a 20% off coupon, which just kind of made the gum about free. Used 20 in Walgreens cash and then paid the rest out of pocket, and then there was really no points coming back there. Submitted to Ibotta for $10 because it did not pick up the Fructis this time. It actually reset it for a different type of Fructis. So the last time it was a leave-in conditioner, but this time it reset it for like an anti-freeze or something like that. So I did not get the $5. I may just return those items back to the store and try to purchase the right product, but yeah, I didn't get the other $5, but I did get 10 back from Ibotta. All right, so here is the other transaction that I did with the Dove. I don't think I showed you guys this one. This was kind of like last minute, but I picked up 2 of the Dove's Men deodorant, 2 of the Axe deodorant, $7.99 and $4.99. They are buy one get one half off, and when you spend 20, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. And I also have a Fetch rebate that pops up, so I'm gonna submit for $5 back on Fetch for that. And then I picked up the Secret. This is also part of the 3-day flash sale for when you spend 15 on P&G products, you're gonna get back the $5 register reward. So here's that. They are on sale for 2 for $13, or 3 of them come out to $19.50. I did use a paper booster for when I spend 25 to get back $7 in Walgreens cash, and then use 2 $5 register rewards, and then $7 coming off here for the Axe, and $3.50 coming off here for the Dove products. What I am missing is one of the $5 for the Secret deodorant that didn't come off, so that made me pay a little bit more out of pocket, extra $5, so which I'll be calling customer service to see if I can get that back, because I should have paid 20 in Walgreens cash, and then just paid the 96 cents out of pocket plus my taxes. So I didn't get that there, so I'll be calling customer service. And I got back $9 in Walgreens cash, so $7 for the booster. And again, I want to say the extra $2 is coming from the 10% from that booster there that wasn't working for me again. But this is all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the description box below. I did film this video yesterday, Sunday in store, but it is morning time as I'm finishing this up, so it is Saturday, so we got one more day today to grab these deals. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun shopping.